It's that time of year where it's cold outside and we start to crave warm, comforting things. Today we're making hot chocolate 3 ways. I'm Veggierose. Let's get into it. First one we'll be diving into is the Matcha Hot Chocolate. And we're starting off with just a basic base of plant-based milk and semi-sweet vegan chocolate chips. And I have this over a high heat and we're just gonna melt these all together. I'm making a pretty big batch, but I have the recipe linked down below for a single serving. For 1 serving, I'm doing 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into a glass, but of course you could use a mug, and we're pouring in a splash of hot water just to mix this together. Just mix it really well until the powder has mixed completely with the water. Next, add a little bit of hot chocolate and whisk that until everything is combined, and then you can continue to pour in the rest. I'm also adding some cocoa whip and then a sprinkle of matcha powder over top. Next, we have the classic hot chocolate. Just pour in the hot chocolate. It's super messy, but maybe you won't make it as messy as mine. Then dollop it with some more coconut whipped cream, and then of course, a drizzle of melted chocolate. Moving on to my favorite, Smores Hot Chocolate. So I melted a little bit of chocolate chips with a splash of water in the microwave for 30 seconds and then mixed it up until it's all nice and melted. And then dip it into some crushed graham crackers, smear a little bit of chocolate in the glass for cuteness, and at this moment you're supposed to put in some marshmallows in with the hot chocolate to get some melting marshmallow in the mix, but I totally forgot, but it's okay. We're adding some more on top either way, and then optional, torch the thing so that you can have that s'mores marshmallow feel. And for the finishing touch, a sprinkle of crushed graham crackers. Oh, and you guys have been asking for Mia. There she is, peeking in the back, stealing my marshmallows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will talk to you guys soon. I love you.